Hazrat Abu Usman Nahdi states that Hazrat Usama bin Zaid radiyallahu anhu said, while we were in the company of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the messenger of one of his daughters came. She had sent for him because her son was nearing his death. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, go back and tell her that whatever He Jalla Jalaluhu withdraws and whatever He Jalla Jalaluhu bestows is only for Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, and there is a calculated term for everything with Him. So ask her to be patient and consider it a reward. She again sent the messenger with a message that she, adjuring him under an oath, requested him to come. So the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam got up, and Hazrat Sa'ad bin Ubadah and Hazrat Muaz bin Jabal radiyallahu anhu also got up along with him. The baby was handed over to him, whereas the baby was extremely short of breath, like an old water skin. So his eye got brimmed with tears. Hazrat Sa'ad radiyallahu anhu submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what is this? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, it is compassion which Allah Jalla Jalaluhu inspires in the hearts of His bondsmen, and undoubtedly Allah Jalla Jalaluhu shows affection only to His compassionate bondsmen. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 7377.